my channel. So today Oliver and I are out Christmas shopping. We were actually going to go to the pumpkin patch today, but it's not super cool. It ended up getting up to like 78, and we want to go when it's like really nice and cool. And tomorrow the temperatures are supposed to be a lot lower, so we're going to go tomorrow. Oliver's chomping on chips back there. We ran to Subway for lunch. I grabbed a sweet onion chicken teriyaki, and I'm going to be very honest with y'all. I've already gone to Subway 4 times this week. This was the 4th time, and I've gotten the sweet onion chicken teriyaki every single time. And no, I'm not pregnant. I'm just on a kick right now. For some reason, I love this sandwich, and I used to never want the sandwich. I used to work at Subway all through high school and college, and I never wanted this sandwich, but now I don't know what it is. I'm on a kick. I love it. So anyway, and we're gonna head over to At Home and Hobby Lobby and possibly some other places and see what kind of Christmas decor we can find for this year. If you've been around for a while, you know I love red Christmas decor, but I think this year I'm gonna kind of tone it down a little bit. Still lots of red, but I want to do lots of champagne colors and lots more white mixed in. So we're gonna be looking for some calmer Christmas decor to add in with our already bright colors. I'm so excited to start decorating. No, that's not happening anytime soon, but we have to get ready and get all of the good decor before it's gone, right? So let's go ahead and eat the sandwich, and then we'll head into one of those stores. Look at the Santa Claus. What does Santa say? Do you remember? Ho, ho, ho. It's a helicopter with Santa Claus in it. We need that, don't we? Should we put that in our front yard? Can you say helicopter? There's a baby Jesus manger scene at the end of this aisle. See baby Jesus over there? Ooh, that garland is cool. It's like all snowy. That might be fun. Look at all their Christmas mats, Oliver. Nutcrackers. The plaid. Or the snowman. I'm loving this snowman one. At Home was, of course, a winter wonderland in October. They had so many things to choose from already. So many flocked wreaths and garlands, so many beaded garlands. They were still putting stuff out on this day, but their stockings were stocked from top to bottom on this aisle on both sides. So if you need a stocking, now is the time to go get your stockings for the whole family, especially if you're going to get one that's monogrammed or has a letter on it, because those go quick. They had the cutest little dog stockings. I'm waiting until we finish our family before we buy like really nice Pottery Barn stockings, because I want them to all match and have our names on them. This aisle was so pretty. It was like all pink and gold and sparkly. If you have a little girl, it'd be so fun to shop down that aisle. Oliver pointed out that little Santa that's sleeping with his dog, so I showed y'all that. This aisle was actually really fun to look in. They had these paintings. They had one of the Nutcracker, and then they had a whole bunch of them that were like little cozy Hallmark movie paintings where the door was open and you could see inside. And then those things were really cool. I don't know what you call those, but that would be really fun for a bookshelf or a floating shelf. So many really pretty Santas to choose from, and I love those candlesticks if you're going to do a really big setup on your front porch. Just so many really fun things at Home. But now we are headed over to Hobby Lobby, and as soon as we walked in, of course, it was Christmas galore. They had everything out. Fall is over at Hobby Lobby, guys. But they had so many really fun things to choose from this year. I saw a lot of new stuff this year. Normally I go in and I just see the same old, but we did find lots of new things. So I'm going to have fun showing y'all around, showing y'all what I love. I'm going to pick up a couple things today. Not too much, but we did need some things to kind of tone down all of our red Christmas decor. Oliver loved this bird. He wanted to take it home with him, but it was breakable, so we did end up putting it back. I thought this was so fun. They had the popcorn garland. That way you don't have to like poke yourself a million times trying to make your own homemade popcorn garland. And then they had some really fun Christmas candles to choose from. I always like those really big ones. Those look really pretty on the stove or on a really large coffee table. So many really pretty nativity scenes to choose from. They were fully stocked on everything. They had lots of really pretty signs. This Merry Christmas sign is gorgeous. I have the red one and also the silver one from years past, and they finally updated it and got one that's like a little bit 3D, so I love that. They had a lot of these really pretty bells, and then all of their countdown to Christmases are always so cute, but this little barn was my favorite. That would look so cute in my mom's kitchen. She has everything like farm animals, and then I was shocked at how many Christmas pillows they had this year. I feel like normally Hobby Lobby, it's kind of hard to find a good pillow, but this year they were stocked. Okay, we just got home from the store. Oliver actually fell asleep on the way home, so I'm whispering, and hopefully he won't wake up and I can get a couple things done before he wakes up. But anyways, I ended up finding a lot of stuff at Hobby Lobby. Not a lot, but a few things at Hobby Lobby. I didn't buy anything at Home today. I did find some stuff at Home that I'm going to go back and probably get. Oliver loved that helicopter that goes in the front yard. He is obsessed with helicopters, so we may end up getting that for our front yard this year. But as far as decor for inside the house, in Hobby Lobby I found some good stuff. So I'm trying to tone down our Christmas decor this year. Not so many bright reds. I still love red in my Christmas decor, but I want to incorporate more of the velvety reds, less like glitter and stuff, and more toned down rustic colors. So I found this manger scene, and I actually wanted to get this last year and didn't, but I'm glad I got my hands on it this year because I think this is going to make such a pretty statement. I will probably end up putting this on top of our hutch because I feel like when you come in our front door, the hutch is kind of like where your eyes go. I don't know, that's me at least. Whenever I come in the front door, that's where I look. And we just got that antique window above our hutch, and I think this is going to look so pretty in front of that window, maybe with some warm lighting. So I'm really excited about this. Oliver learned all about baby Jesus today. And then we also picked up these bells. Here, let me show you. They're like a really pretty gray, like a matte silver with a rustic rope on them. And I think these are going to be such a pretty addition to our Christmas tree. I may end up putting them somewhere else, I'm not sure yet, but if I do put them on my Christmas tree, I'm going to need a few more strands. But like I said, I was just trying to go and get some things to inspire me today to figure out what we're going to do with our Christmas decor this year. But all I know is I want to tone it down and do more like velvety reds and rustic colors, lots of whites and creams and metallic. Our house is really gray toned, and so I think those are going to go really well. And then I also picked up this really pretty glam ornament. And I know it looks crazy, it looks like super glam, but when it turns on, it's a really warm toned, like champagne color. And I love this. If you've been following me for a while, you know I have those glam candlesticks on our TV stand. And I feel like if I take away the smaller one and add this there with some Christmas garland, that is going to be so pretty for Christmas time. So I love that. I may go get another one for the other side, or I may do one of my glam deers on the other side to kind of mix it up and not be so symmetrical, but we'll see. And then the last thing I picked up was a little craft for Oliver. It's just a little Christmas tree that he can paint, and this is a keepsake thing too. You can put his name on the bottom with the year and you can keep it forever. So I thought that was really cute. $2.99, and it was half off, and he has been loving painting ever since I put paint in his boo basket. He loves to paint, so that is going to be perfect for him. I forgot to tell y'all prices. The bells were $18.99, but they were half off, so less than 10 bucks. And then the little ornament that lights up was $25, but it was half off. And then the manger scene was, of course, $20, half off. It was $40, so it was $20 half off. And so I think we got some really good finds. I think I'm going to really enjoy kind of toning down our Christmas decor, making it more warm and cozy, still adding in lots of pops of red, but I'm so excited to decorate for Christmas. We won't be doing that until November, but I'm excited. But now we're going to go ahead and make some dinner. I'm going to make a little bit of a healthier dinner tonight. Will's not going to be home. It's just me and Ollie. So I'm going to make some chicken and sweet potatoes, but I'm going to show you a really yummy recipe.
The wonders of life got the prettiest side for everyone to enjoy. Standing up close by the Christmas tree, glimmering light, I am right where I wanna be. I will be.
It's always so much fun to break out that Christmas music every year, but just know that we are not in full Christmas mode yet. I just wanted to do a little run around all the stores and see what they have. I'm still going to do a couple more stores just to see what's out there, and then I'm going to start planning my decor, but we are still very much in fall/Halloween over here. and Oliver is loving this season, so we're soaking it up. But for dinner tonight, we're going to make some sweet potatoes and some ranch chicken. This would be a really great recipe if you're doing some meal planning and you want to make your lunches in advance, like if you go into work every day. I used to do this when I was a teacher, but these sweet potatoes are super easy. You just dice them up however small you want them. I like to do them kind of small, that way they get a little extra crispy in the oven. And put some melted butter, a little bit of honey, some garlic, salt, and pepper. Sounds like a weird combination, but these turn out so delicious. I just bake them on 400 for about 20-25 minutes, and they turn out so crispy and so delicious. Oliver ate these up. He loved them, which I was so excited about because he had never tried sweet potatoes before. And of course, they're super healthy and great for you. And then while I was cooking dinner, Oliver is doing his little craft over here. He absolutely loves painting, which is so cute. My dad is actually a painter, and so he's taken after his papa, and he was over here having the best time.
Your present, come over here. Now it is time.
Yeah.
Lighting a light with you. Choirs will sing and the joy bells will ring. Nobody loves you as much as I do. It's a wonderful feeling from floor to the ceiling. It is that time of the year. Drinking hot wine by the fire. Here on our own, we got nothing to fear. It's Christmas.
So for this chicken, you just dice it up into little cubes, and then you put some of this ranch seasoning, like the powder version, onto the chicken. Also put in a little bit of olive oil, just a little bit. You don't want to make it too like soggy. And then stir it all together, make sure it's really nicely coated, put it on a baking sheet, and then you just bake this at 400 for about 20 minutes. And it turns out so delicious, so tender, and so flavorful. And paired with the sweet potatoes, it's perfect. I also just happen to have a can of baked beans in my pantry, and Oliver loves baked beans. So we paired that with this too, and it went perfectly. This was such a cozy little dinner. Will wasn't home on this night. It was just me and Oliver, and we ate dinner in the backyard, and we absolutely loved this.
Won't you come in out of the snow and cold? We've got it nice and warm. In here you find both young and old, seeking shelter from the storm. It's the spirit of the
I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. I know I did. Getting in the spirit of Christmas is always so much fun, regardless of the month that it is. But anyways, I will see y'all again on Friday. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, I would love to have you. And I'll see y'all soon. Bye.